Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How do I look? Do I look like a church girl? Okay, so in this video you're about to watch, you're going to watch me clean my chicken. Is a budget cooking. I just cook it for video purpose. Okay, so you watch how to clean your chicken. I think how to clean your meat, your pangash fish, how to do cleaning generally. In this video you're about to watch, it's all about my day at home, my kids, cleaning. we are all good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been an hectic day for me, and I had to cook, clean, wash, and all that. This is my morning routine. Take black tea. No, I take herbal tea in the morning. Herbal tea. Sometimes I can just add little milk. Sometimes I drink it like that. I'll just manage and manage to do all the songs. Like fold them, hang them, separate them, put everyone at the right place. Now I get you go so already. Yeah, I remember for the what was it called? Creator 360. I also attended that class. How was it? It was not bad. Nice. I went for that class with an open mind. I went there for learning. I went there being open. Like, I went there to say anything, everything. I just want to gain knowledge, experience, challenges, which I eventually did, which was good to me. Those challenges was good because now I have experience. I have learn tips on how to grow out channel, and that has helped me to find it easy to create content and post. I find more creators, friendly creators that are willing to share, that are willing to meet you, and that are willing to talk to you, chat one-on-one. And I'm very grateful I met such creators because they share their experience, even though many never, because you cannot do stuff yourself. So I subscribe to many just to encourage them, because I want to collaborate with other content creators. I want to do something in the future to promote Africa also, if Adedunni is willing. Okay, so I wish to meet many and it really makes sense, and I like to love. You can see sometimes when I'm dancing, I don't play no music anymore. I posted today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to sub, like, comment, and share. Please do. I will really appreciate it. Anything I support your money. Okay, please support your girl. Support. Please watch my videos. Emma one video. Emma should like Emma one video. Watch it. If you watch it to the end, kisses to you, and then thank you so much. I will remain your girl. I really appreciate you.